Ashwin, you can see my screen, am I right?
Yeah.
Did you manage to finish?
No, because your screen went away, so I couldn't see
Okay,
the code.
no problem. Okay.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Let me. Okay. So you wanted me to do from the 12 to 3 to, and then 27, right?
Yes, only
Yeah.
these
Okay.
three.
Okay. And then print, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay,
I'm
good.
done.
It's done?
There's no issue. Yeah.
Okay. So I would like you to have a look at this line, please.
Okay.
Why is it giving us 83.5? And what is the importance of having this kind of brackets here?
That's because if you don't have the bracket, then they will do 71.9 divided by 2 first. So they put the bracket so that you prioritize the
Excellent,
addition.
excellent. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is something new. We have taken something similar before.
Okay.
This is called escape sequence. So this is the escape sequence is kind of some characters, some special characters that you are able to use when you are printing a statement to the screen. It has some good effects actually. So if you want to have a new line character, you use /n.
Yeah.
If you want to, so normally a text is marked by two kind of double quotation. Am I right? But then
Yeah.
if you would like to put a double quotation in the middle, that will confuse your Java compiler. So to be able to actually not confuse it, you have to put a slash before you put a double quotation. So this double quotation is the normal double quotation that you have. You see here and here.
Yeah. Yeah.
I want to put double quotation in between the marking. This is the marking of the beginning of the character. This is the end. Okay,
Yeah.
so I want to put something in the middle, and it get printed as it is. Okay, so this is get printed like that. You see here.
Yeah.
So to print that and not to confuse the Java, I have to put a slash before the double quotation here. So to say to it, this is not the end of the string. It is just that I want to print a double quotation on the screen. This double quotation here is not actually printed.
Right.
Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. If I want to print a slash into the screen, so what I do, I put two backslashes.
Okay.
If I put two backslashes, it will print something like that. So these two will result in one. And if I want to print two backslashes, I put 4 here. It's confusing.
Yeah. So if you want to print one backslash, you put 2. If you want to print 2, you put 4.
Yes.
Okay.
So for every one of them, for every backslash you want to print, you have to put 2. If you want to print 2, then you have to add another 2. So a total 4.
Right.
Okay, can you just write that in your code?
Okay. Yeah.
So how is it?
I just copied it. Let me print it now. All right, so I get the slash hello, how are you? Question mark slash slash. But the U has the 2 quotations.
Okay, my question to you now, why hello? Why this kind of statement or string is printed on in 2 lines, not in 1 line?
Because you use the slash after that, the slash n, right?
Okay, so it means that I can use slash n. I no need to separate them in 2 different print statement, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. So are you able to print that 3 print lines and tell me what could be the output?
Okay.
Is it difficult?
No, I'm printing it now. See if I get it. Oh, I need to comment this one. Okay. Yeah, I got something else. Yeah, I didn't get that.
You got some errors?
Like, no. Okay, well, I got slash, then I got the dash, and then I got the tree. This one. Like when I
Okay,
printed
still
it.
double quotation. Okay, so
Yeah.
what is the confusing thing to you? This is together,
Actually,
and this is together, and this is together. So every time you want to print a double quotation, you have to put a slash behind it, like that.
right. Okay, okay. I
And this
understand.
is the first one, and this is the ending one, which is normally that is not
Yeah.
printed out. Okay, and
Yeah.
here
Yeah.
they only print for
Yeah.
you that one.
Correct. Okay, makes sense.
And here you already know is for every two slashes it print one.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So we can move to the next. Now we go to the interesting thing. So if you want to know the length of a string, we have a method called length. If we want to, we will have a look at how we can use that. So a string is very important, and we are also able to use a method called substring, and we give it index as a start, index 1 as a start, index 2 as an end. So if we call that on a normal substring, on a normal string, so he will cut the strings that we give it, and he will begin from index 1 until he reach index 2. So let us look at an example, because this is confusing. Can you look at the string S1?
Okay.
S1 here?
Yeah.
Programming in Java. And you see here what he's doing? He's writing the index. So P is at index 0.
Yeah.
Okay. And you see he reached 9, and then he start counting again.
Yeah.
Although he's supposed to say after 9, 10, 11, and so on. But okay, he make it for simplicity, because maybe he doesn't have too much space here. So if I say S1, which is our defined string, I said dot length, the method that we look at it just now. So it will print 19. Why it print 19?
S1 line.
Can you count
I'm not
all the
sure.
characters? Can you count all the characters here?
Right, there's 19 characters.
Okay, good. Are you able to know from here, from this indexing that he put?
Yeah, from that, yeah.
Okay, so if I want to take a portion, I cut a portion of that string, I print it out. So can you see here, if he put an starting from index 7 and ending with index 10, and this is exclusive, we can get minimum out from that string. So this is a string, I want to cut only a portion of it. Where is a portion that I want to start from? Index 7. Where is index 7 here? Where is index 10? Is pointing here.
Yeah.
I want to cut M, I, N, and then here is exclusive. So 10 is exclusive. So it means that it's not counted here. So I start from 7, I end at 9. So I take only these 3 characters. Can you please do that line, and this line?
Okay.
Is it doable?
Yeah. Okay. Run this. Okay. Got it.
Got it. Okay. Now, my question to you, if I use a method called IndexOf,
Okay.
can you guess what it does here? So we are still operating on S1 because you see here, index of I. How many I is in this string?
1, 2.
Excellent. And then if I say S1.index of I, here return 8. But why 8?
Yeah.
Why
I
not
don't know.
something else? Strange, right?
Yeah.
Okay, but where is the first I?
Okay. Yeah.
You see here? What is the index of the first I?
Right. Right. Okay. I see.
So index of get you the index of that character, the first occurrence of this character in the string given.
Right.
Did that make sense?
Yeah. Yeah.
What about gram? Where is the first occurrence of gram inside S1?
So it'll be the G of gram, which is 3.
Good. Okay. And then what about high? Where is the first occurrence of high
So
inside?
it'll be the H,
Where is the
which
H?
there isn't. They don't have any
H.
high. Right?
There is no
Yeah,
high,
there's
right?
no.
That's
Yeah.
why it returned -1.
Okay, I see.
Does this make sense to
So
you?
no matter what, if I put like Y, it'll be -1 also.
Yes, because there is no
Okay.
Y.
Okay.
So I will leave that portion to you. Of course, every time you have a slide, so you're able to try all of these lines. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So we have another method here before we end our class, and this is the last one. I know it's slightly longer. Um,
That's
I'm
okay.
sorry for that. So
Yeah.
look at A and B here,
Okay.
string A and string B.
Okay.
So they are equal or not? Are they the same?
One has capital H, one has small h.
Okay,
But
that's good.
apart from that, they are the same.
Okay, so we have a method called equals, and it tests the
Yeah.
equality of A and B. So it will
Right.
take A dot equals B
Right.
and check. It will return what? False,
Yeah.
because they are not equal.
Yeah.
And if I say A equals, and then I pass it a string that is almost identical to A, so it will
Mm.
return to me true. Does this make sense to you?
Right. Okay.
Make sense or no?
Yeah.
Okay,
So if
can
it's almost identical to the string. Okay.
yes. So,
Okay. Sure.
do you know why H H small and H capital is not equal?
Yeah, because it's a different small letter, big letter is different.
Okay, and there is also the ASCII table that we look at before. H have different number representation. H small and H capital is totally different numbers. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So because inside the computer, he doesn't really know what is H small and H capital. He only knows that there is a representation, decimal representation of H
Yeah.
small and another one for H capital. So he compare both of
Yeah.
them, and based that he return if it is equal or not. Let me
Yeah.
I don't want to give you because we don't really have much time now, but let me come out from here. I give you something slightly simpler. Give me a second, please. So apart from, I will give you that as an exercise, this
Okay.
random character exercise generation. So please bear in mind, I don't mind that you find difficulty in the homework and you don't do it fully. But when you
Yeah.
try to think, it actually help your brain, especially
Yeah.
that we have a um, longer days between this class and the next class. You know, the
Yeah.
next class is Saturday, right? So
Yeah.
I don't want your mind to become idle in all this while. So
Yeah.
I want you to keep trying in that. And please, this is the last thing that I'm going to give to you today. It's only remaining a few minutes here.
Yeah.
Mass.minimum. Mass.minimum. You give it two numbers, it give you the smallest number. So can you look at here, at this number?
Yeah. Okay.
So I give here mass.minimum, I give it number one and number two, and it returns the smallest. And it saves
Yeah.
the smallest in a variable. And then I
Yeah.
take that variable and I compare it to the third. This is how I compare three different variables and I get the smallest number and I print it out. Are you able to run that, please?
Okay.
Is it difficult?
No. I can do. Mm. So the mass.min can only work with two numbers lah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. All right. Yeah, it works.
It works.
No problem. Yeah.
Okay. And then have a look at mass.max.
Okay.
So it works the opposite. It can get you the biggest number of 2.
Yeah.
And then you can work it also the same way with 3 numbers. So can you run that 3 lines of code?
Yeah. Sure. Okay. Yep.
Works?
Yep.
Good. Okay. So we learn something slightly different. Is it my screen is clearer? Because that's a lot of code and maybe I need
It's
to.
a bit. Yeah. Maybe zoom in a bit. It's a bit.
Okay, I will try to zoom a bit more. What about now?
Yeah. Can.
Okay. So this is a normal scanner, and we get
Yeah.
this is a normal print statement. We get something from the user. Anything
Yeah.
that comes out from the user, it stays as a string because it's
Yeah.
he's calling next like that. So
Yeah.
if I want, he say try to add the user input variable. So he tried to actually add what the user put here to itself.
Right. Yeah.
Okay. But suppose it will not work because adding two string together cannot. This is not like an arithmetic operation. We cannot do that. Even if you put here, if you give him 5.0, for example, or even 5.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
if you put 5 plus 5, in this case, he will treat it as a string. So you will result 55, not 10.
Yeah.
But to be able to actually do some kind of arithmetic operations on any input, even if you put it like if you give them 5.0, for example, then you have to use that kind of conversion. You have to say double dot parse double, and then you
Yeah.
pass it the number that it is given by the user. Only
Right.
then you are able to actually to do some arithmetic operation. So are you
Right.
able to write that kind of lines to be able to, and then when you come here, when he asks you for an input, you please give it 10.0 or any double number.
Okay. You should print all of that, huh? Okay.
Yes. Or if you are saturated, I would give it to you as a homework to run that. It's your preference, not me.
It's okay. It's okay, I can do it.
Is it difficult?
No, I'm just writing it still. Okay. Now I Wait. I get 8 errors.
Okay, I think maybe
Oh,
a
I
bit.
know why. Wait.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Oh, okay, I see. I forgot to put the scanner line. Okay, got it.
It managed to work.
Green.
So can
Yeah,
you please tell
let me
me?
print it and see.
Okay, good.
Oh, what? Uh, I get. How come? Oh, because I didn't. Put this, and I didn't put that. Okay. Yeah, you get the error string cannot be converted to integer.
You mean here on this line?
Yeah.
Okay, so he's trying to add these two, and it's not possible. Am I right?
Yeah, correct.
And what if you remove that bracket?
Oh, okay. Remove the bracket from both the.
Yeah, yes, for the starting bracket and the ending bracket.
Okay.
Try to run.
Okay, run. No, still. Oh, wait. Still cannot.
Do you mind sharing the screen with me?
Yeah, once. Can you check if this will fix it? Yeah, still got errors. Okay. Let me share the screen. Why can't I? Ah, okay. Can you see my screen?
Not yet, but so we have remaining 1 minute until I see your screen. If I cannot really see it, then we have to continue that on the next class. But let me understand from you first before we continue, or
Hmm?
until the screen is